Moc Chau, a charming land hidden deep in the Northwest Highlands, never ceases to captivate the hearts of visitors. The cool breeze blowing down from the mountaintops, the endless green tea hills, and the continuous blooming seasons, those are the feelings that greet you as soon as you set foot here. This is not just a place name, but a ballad about nature, about people, and about the dreamy colors adorning the majestic, enchanting landscapes. Moc Chau is not noisy or rushed, it has a unique, quiet, gentle beauty that resonates deep in the soul. With a cool climate all year round and breathtaking natural scenery, Moc Chau is like a precious gem in the vast Northwest forest, an ideal destination for those who seek inner peace and the opportunity to immerse themselves in vast landscapes. In fields of pure white flowers, in gentle winds, and magical morning rays, each season in Moc Chau has its own charm, bringing a stunning beauty that makes visitors amazed by its pristine, charming beauty. Spring in Moc Chau is when nature puts on a fresh new coat. White plum blossoms and pink peach blossoms bloom, adorning the land with brilliant, delicate colors. Here, visitors can witness majestic scenes that seem to come out of fairy tales, plum trees blooming in the morning mist, peach blossoms gently reaching for the first light of dawn. Walking along the winding trails between ethnic villages, you may feel like you are entering another world, where the serenity and purity of nature quietly touches the heart. The beauty of Moc Chau does not dazzle at first sight, it blooms slowly, in silence, through the smallest miracles that leave a lasting impression. In summer, Moc Chau takes on a different atmosphere, where vast green tea hills become the center of the land. The endless tea plantations, like emerald silk carpets spread across the hills, overwhelm every visitor with the majesty of nature. Summer here is a gentle, delicate picture, where the golden sunlight highlights the fresh green of the tea fields and colorful flower gardens. This is also the season of fascinating experiences, visiting tea farms, harvesting tea leaves, or exploring beautiful hills and waterfalls. The morning dew on the tea leaves and the light rain in the afternoon create a fairy tale-like atmosphere. Cool and enchanting, immersed in the fresh green. When autumn comes, Moc Chau is covered in the golden halo of blooming wild sunflowers, painting this land with warm tones. The fresh, cool air mixed with the golden light makes Moc Chau even more attractive. Autumn here is like a melodious melody, bringing peace and comfort to all who wander through its landscapes. This is the perfect time to immerse yourself in the silence of the mountains. Feel the harmony between nature and people, between the sky and wandering souls looking for a moment of peace. Winter covers Moc Chau with a mysterious mist, creating a romantic, surreal landscape. The white mustard flower fields and yellow dry grass under the cold of winter create a wild but poetic scene. This season not only attracts domestic tourists but also international tourists eager to explore the quiet beauty of the Northwest winter. The gentle cold, combined with the peaceful silence of nature, makes people feel as if time has stopped. But Moc Chau not only has perfect scenery and weather but is also a place to explore the rich culture of ethnic minorities. The villages of the Hmong, Thai, and Hmong people still retain their unique traditional values. With a simple, warm daily life, if you are lucky, you can witness traditional festivals, cultural activities such as bamboo dance or circle dance, or enjoy local specialties, handicraft products such as brocade, hand-woven fabrics, and decorative items reflect the art and cultural identity of the people here. One cannot forget to enjoy the delicious specialties of Moc Chau. Grilled veal, bamboo rice, grilled stream fish, and Moc Chau milk are culinary treasures that cannot be missed. Each dish has a unique, unforgettable flavor, imbued with the breath of the mountains and forests, both delicious and nostalgic. Enjoying these dishes in the peaceful, fresh atmosphere of the highlands will help you appreciate more the harmony between people and nature. One of the must-see places is the iconic Moc Chau tea hills, where green tea fields stretch as far as the eye can see. Like soft green silk ribbons flowing between the mountain ranges, these hills not only provide breathtaking scenery but also sustain the lives of the local people. Hard-working farmers carefully cultivate tea amidst the tranquility of the mountains. If you are a tea enthusiast, you will be amazed by the beauty of Moc Chau tea. Another highlight is Dai Yem Waterfall, where the clear water flows down from above like silk ribbons, creating a mysterious and charming scene. Surrounded by dense forests, lush cornfields, and fresh air, the waterfall offers a quiet getaway. Especially in spring, when plum and peach trees are in full bloom, the waterfall area looks even more radiant and magical. This is the perfect place to stop, immerse yourself in nature, and enjoy peaceful moments. Going deeper into the plateau, you will discover the vast Moc Chau Plateau with limestone mountains, endless grasslands, and pristine white mustard fields. In spring, when plum and peach blossoms cover the hills, Moc Chau becomes a vivid, soft, sweet, and dreamy picture. The winding roads lead to ethnic villages, where stilt houses are located among green rice fields. Every step here is a journey to discover the beauty that is nowhere else. And of course, you can't leave without visiting the vibrant Moc Chau Market, a weekend market that brings together locals from all over. This is where you can truly explore the lifestyle and traditions of this land. The market bustles with cheerful chatter, the jingling of bells, and baskets laden with handicrafts, brocades, jewelry, pottery, wild honey, rare herbs, and mountain specialties. Here, you will immerse yourself in the daily life of Moc Chau, warmed by the hospitality and friendliness of the Coming here, you must have felt the beauty of Moc Chau. We have tried to portray it as realistically as possible to bring you the richest experience. The climate in Moc Chau is a bit cold, but it does not affect your visit. Believe that when you set foot here, you will be attracted by the wild beauty of this mysterious and fascinating land. You can choose many different forms of transportation to enjoy the best things. Moc Chau people are very friendly. The dishes of the indigenous people are strange but have a vibrant flavor that, when I left, I could not forget. If you come during the festival of the ethnic people in Moc Chau, you can also admire the unique cultural features you cannot find in any other land in the world. Everything blends to create a new nuance for anyone coming to Moc Chau for the first time. You are a person who likes to take photos to save beautiful memories of your journey. the tea hills in Moc Chau, which will make you have a lot of impressions. We have tried to create the most detailed and profound content so that you can visualize the wonderful places in Moc Chau, Vietnam. If you find this video helpful in your upcoming visit, please follow our Strange Distant Land channel. There are many more interesting and unique things for us to discover together. I wish you good health and happiness. I will see you in the following video.